this evening.
It's a river flow warning.
Minor flooding is forecast. Where?
Yep.
East Branch Brandywine Creek below Downingtown.
River flow warning.
When? From this afternoon to late this evening. Impact at 6.0 feet. Open adjacent land next to the creek floods. At 8.0 feet, downwind Fort Road begins to flood. Additional details at 1:45 p.m. Friday. The stage was 6.7 feet. Forecast: the river will rise above flood stage to 7.1 feet late this afternoon. Water levels will decrease tonight. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 7.2 feet on March 1st, 2021. http://www.weather.gov/safety/